Welcome to How to Web. To install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad using Feather Signer in 2025, first download and install Feather Signer on your computer. Connect your device to the computer and ensure that it's unlocked. In Feather Signer, select the IPA file you want to install and drag it into the software interface. Then follow the prompts. Make sure you carefully read the prompts and follow the procedure to sign the IPA file and install it onto your device. Don't rush these things because this is very important. Once completed, you can launch the app directly from your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to trust the app in the settings if you encounter any installation errors. Also, make sure you follow the terms and conditions by the iPhone and also the Feather sign. Let me know in the comments if you need more help.